Dear students, today I am going to explain plus 2 accountancy portion accounts from incomplete records. In the last classes we studied about last classes means in the first year we studied double entry system of bookkeeping. Double entry system means every transaction has one debit and one credit. So, when one account is debited, automatically another account will be credited. That system is called as double entry system. Those systems which are not called as a double entry system is called as an incomplete records. When the accounting records are not maintained according to the double entry system principle, that system is called as incomplete records. So, dear students, one theory question, one 2-mark question. First we study one 2-mark question, and after that we have to study each and every questions in the illustration as well as the problems which is given in the question. We will do one by one. Today, first portion is that means first question I want to explain is what is the meaning of incomplete records. This question is normally asked for 2-mark question. What is the meaning of incomplete records? When the double entry system of accounting system is not maintained, it is called as a incomplete records. Then when accounting records are not strictly maintained, according to double entry system, these records are called incomplete records. When accounting records are not strictly maintained according to double entry system, these records are called as incomplete records. Normally, small traders like petty shop holders are normally maintain these incomplete records. They are not maintain the accounting records in scientific method. They just to write the cash account and the customer's account and supplier's account. So normally they maintain cash account and personal accounts. Personal account means the supplier's account, that means the sundry creditors account and sundry debtors accounts are not normally maintained. Once again I want to explain what is the meaning of incomplete record. 2-mark question. When accounting records are not strictly maintained according to the double entry system, these records are called as incomplete records. Normally they maintained cash account and personal account. Personal account means sundry creditors account and sundry debtors account are normally maintained, and other accounts are sometimes maintained according to their need. So when accounting records are not strictly maintained under the double entry system, these records are called as an incomplete records. 2-mark question. Try to study this question. You mark it the answer in your textbook. In the textbook, this sentence is given. That sentence you mark it and study it. This question, what is the meaning of incomplete records? When accounting records are not strictly maintained according to the double entry system, these records are called as incomplete records. Then we do 2 or more problems today. These questions are asked for 2-mark as well as 3-mark question. So study. You will write it in today onwards, you will do the problems in a separate notebook. You will buy a notebook and write all the problems one by one. Question number 1. Ascertain profit. Ascertain profit or loss. Then question, capital at the beginning. Capital in the beginning. Rupees 2 lakhs. Capital at the end. Capital at the end. Rupees 3,50,000. Then additional capital. Additional capital 70,000. Then drawings 40,000. With the help of this information, we have to ascertain profit or loss. Then, to solve this question, we study one definition, one formula, not a definition, we study one formula. The formula is capital at the end. First, we study this formula, capital at the end. Add drawings less additional capital less opening capital, we can get profit. If we get a minus figure, it means loss. You just memorize this formula, capital at the end, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital, we can get profit. Capital at the end, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital, we can get profit. Then this question is given in our textbook illustration. The answer is also given in the question in the textbook itself. So please refer the illustration number 1 and study this question. Ascertain profit. Capital in the beginning is given. It is 2 lakhs rupees. Capital in the beginning is otherwise called as opening capital. So here you write 2 lakhs. Then capital at the end 3,50,000. Here you write capital at the end 3,50,000. Then additional capital 70,000. Then drawings 40,000. We just fill up these columns. Capital at the end 3,50,000. Add drawings 3,50,000 plus 40,000 is equal to 3,90,000. Then additional capital less additional capital 3,90,000 minus 70,000 is equal to 3,20,000. Then less opening capital 3,20,000 minus 2 lakhs is equal to 1,20,000. So the profit is 1,20,000. Dear students, you will here the answer is given in the textbook. You simply write the answer by just copy the textbook. If you write again and again, then only this formula is come into your mind. So you write the formula again and again and try to study this question. Question number 1, very simple question, easy question. So this question is asked, sometimes this question is asked for 2 marks. Sometimes the same question may be asked in the 3 marks also. Capital at the end, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital, we can get profit. Capital at the end, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital, we can get profit. 3,50,000 plus 40,000 is equal to 3,90,000, less 70,000 is equal to 3,20,000, opening capital 2 lakhs, then profit is equal to 1,20,000. That is question number 1. Then question number 2, ascertain profit or loss. Same question, but the amount may be changed. So here in this question, capital the beginning is given, but in the next question the date is given. On the date we have to find out whether it is a opening capital or closing capital. The same question, but the amount alone is change. Ascertain profit or loss. In this question, profit or loss. Capital as on 1/4/2018. Here the date is given, so it is an opening capital. 1,60,000. Then capital as on 31/3/2019 rupees 1,50,000. Additional capital 25,000. Drawings 30,000. This is a question. Then with the help of this question we have to calculate the answer. But first we write the formula. The formula is already in the blackboard. So I just change the figures, that's all. Capital at the end. This capital is opening capital. This capital is capital at the end. 31/3/2019 amount is capital at the end. So the capital at the end is 1,50,000. Then drawing amount is 30,000. So we can write 1,80,000. Then additional capital 25,000. 25,000 is equal to 1,55,000. 0, 0, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, 7 minus 2 is equal to 1,55,000. Then opening capital is equal to 1,60,000. So we are not able to subtract 1,55,000 from 1,60,000. So here we get a minus figure. So if you get a minus figure, it means it is a loss. 1,60,000 minus 1,55,000 is equal to 5,000 rupees loss amount. So 5,000 rupees is loss. If you get the minus figure, it means it is a loss. The same procedure, capital at the end, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital. Capital at the end, 1,50,000, add drawings 30,000, 1,80,000, less additional capital 1,25,000, that means 1,55,000, opening capital 1,60,000. We are not able to subtract that from 1,55,000 to 1,60,000. So the answer we can get as a minus figure. So minus figure, if you get the minus figure, it means a loss. This is the procedure for doing the question. Then question number 3. Question number 3. Calculate missing figure. Here, closing capital. Closing capital 1,90,000. Then additional capital 50,000. Additional capital 50,000. Drawings 30,000. Drawings 30,000. Opening capital we have to find out. Opening capital question mark. Then in this question loss amount is given. Loss is 40,000. We have to calculate the opening capital. In the previous problem we calculate profit or loss. In this question the loss amount is given. With the help of this information we have to calculate the opening capital. How do you do this problem? Then first we write statement showing profit or loss. Same procedure. Statement showing profit or loss. The same formula we have to write. Capital at the end. drawings less additional capital less opening capital. In this question, loss is given. All the given information is entered one by one. Closing capital, that means capital at the end, 1,90,000. Add drawings, drawing amount is 30,000. Then additional capital 50,000. Additional capital 50,000. Then opening capital we have to calculate. We put a box here. Then loss 40,000. Loss means minus 40,000. This is a procedure for solving this question. The same procedure we have to write all the given information one by one. Capital at the end. Add drawings. Less additional capital. Less opening capital. Loss amount is given. Capital at the end is 1,90,000. Add drawings 30,000. Additional capital 50,000. Opening capital we have to find out. Then loss 40,000. Here we can put it at x. We have to calculate the value of x. That way we have to study. The textbook sometimes other informations are done. If you do the problem in another way also you will get a mark. But my procedure I want to explain in this way. Capital at the end 1,90,000. Add drawings plus 30,000 is equal to additional capital 50,000 plus x minus 40,000. Once again, 1,90,000 plus 30,000 is equal to 50,000 is equal to 50,000 plus x minus 40,000. We have to calculate the value of x. So we have to do in this way. 50,000 plus x minus 40,000 is equal to 1,90,000 plus 30,000. Then we calculate the value of x. The letter is come to the left hand side. That is why I wrote in this way. X is equal to, we have to add these two figures. 1,90,000 plus 30,000 is equal to 2,20,000 minus 50,000 plus 40,000. If this minus figure come this side, the sign will be changed. That is why minus figure will be written as plus sign and the plus symbol can be written as minus sign. Then we calculate x value. X is equal to, we have to simplify it. 2,20,000 plus 40,000 is equal to 2,60,000 minus 50,000 is equal to 2,10,000. So the value of opening capital is equal to is equal to 2,10,000. Here you write opening capital. In the box also you will write 2,10,000. This is a procedure for doing this question. 2,10,000 is the answer. Dear students, we will do two more problems. Try to complete within the stipulated time. So do the question number 4. Question number 4. Calculate capital. Calculate capital as on 31st December 2018. Calculate capital as on 31st December 2018. Capital on 1/1/2018 rupees 27,500. Then goods taken for personal use, goods taken for personal use 5,000. Additional capital, additional capital 2,500. Profit rupees 10,000. This question is also an illustration question. And the illustration question also you try to write it in your notebook. Then only you are able to memorize this formula and procedure for doing the question. In the exercises also 5 questions are given in the same order. So first of all you do all the illustration which is given in the textbook. You simply copy it. If you simply copy it, you will have some idea. You will get some idea. So please try to write the question and answer which is given in the textbook. Then profit, everything is. This is the question. How do you solve this question? The procedure is statement showing the same procedure. Statement is showing profit. We have to calculate capital as on 31st December. That is closing capital we have to calculate. Then first we write capital at the end. Add drawings less additional capital less opening capital. Then the profit is also given the question. Profit. Here just to fill up all the figures one by one. Capital at the end we have to calculate. So here we put a box. Drawings. Drawing amount is goods taken for personal use. Whether goods is taken or cash is taken, everything is considered as drawing. So the drawing amount is 5,000. Then additional capital 2,500. 2,500. Then opening capital 27,500. Profit 10,000. Here we write as X. We have to calculate the value of X. X plus 5,000 is equal to 2,500 plus 27,500 plus 10,000. The profit. So here we write, we use the symbol plus. If it is a loss, here we write minus. So then we calculate X value. X is equal to, we have to add these 3 items. 27,500 plus 2,500 is equal to 30,000. 30,000 plus 10,000 is equal to 40,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 35,000. So capital at the end. Capital at the end is equal to 35,000. Here also you write 35,000. Very simple procedure for doing this question. If these types of questions are asked, 7 questions are selected from this area, out of which 1 question may be this pattern, this model. So very simple question, we can easily score the mark. So try to study this question. Capital at the end, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital, we can get profit. 5,000, 2,500, 27,500, 10,000, everything is given. These 2 are one side, these 3 items are another side. X plus 5,000 is equal to 2,500 plus 27,500 plus 10,000. X is equal to 40,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 35,000. Then I have one more problem, that is illustration number 5. In next accountancy class, we simply solve the exercises given in the back side of the textbook. These are all the illustration. The same 5 questions are given in the textbook. So the figure only change, the amount only change, remaining every procedures are same. So if you do this 10 problem, you are thorough about this question. So try to do these questions. Then I have one more question. The textbook also first five illustration I explained. Then question number 5. That means illustration number 5. Illustration number 5. Calculate missing figure. We have to calculate the missing figure. Calculate missing figure. Capital as on 1/4/2017, 2,50,000. Then capital as on 31/3/2018, 2,75,000. Then additional capital 30,000. Then profit 15,000. Drawings we have to calculate. Question 1. Then how is the same procedure? We simply write the question. Statement showing profit. Capital at the end. Add drawings less additional capital less opening capital profit. Given information. This is a format, this is a formula. We write all the given information one way. Capital the end is 2,75,000. 2,75,000. Calculate the value of drawing. Additional capital 30,000. Opening capital 2,50,000. Profit is equal to 15,000. Then here we write x. Calculate the value of x. 2,75,000 plus x is equal to 30,000 plus 2,50,000 plus 15,000. So calculate the value of x. X is equal to, here we have to calculate 2,80,000 plus 15,000 is equal to 2,95,000 minus 2,75,000. So the x value is 2,95,000 minus 2,75,000 is equal to 20,000. So 20,000 value is drawings value. So here also you write 20,000. Thus we have to solve the question. Dear students, I gave 5 questions from the textbook illustration. You do the same question once again, and remaining 5 illustration, 5 exercises. These are all the illustration question. 5 exercises I will do in the next class. So if you are interested, try to do the remaining 5 first 5 exercises which is given the back side of the accountancy textbook. Try to do 5 problems. Next class we have to just verify it whether the whether the problems we have done is correct or not. We just find out tomorrow. Next class we will find. God bless you.